Everyone likes ice cream, and I think ever since the summers began, I am sharing at least one sugar-free ice cream recipe every week. So subscribe to our channel if you want to see all those ice cream recipes. And let me know in the comment section below, is there any kind of ice cream that you like very much but you know it has certain toxins, chemicals, sugars, hydrogen oils or certain other things that you would not like in your ice cream. So before our ice cream melts, let's start. Assalamu alaikum people. Today I'll be sharing with you everything about jamun. Not only recipes of jamun but also how you can use the seeds as well and what you can do with jamun. Not only will we share the recipes, I'll also share with you some wonderful ways on how you can use jamun and jamun seeds for your skin, because jamun and jamun seeds have a high level of antioxidants. So if you're suffering from melasma, dark circles or any other such skin condition, jamun might be the thing for you. So let's start before I get any more spoiler alert notifications.
I think by now most of us know that jamun or Indian blackberry is very good for diabetes. It is also very good for liver health and heart health, and it helps with digestion also. And these are not folklore benefits. All of these are backed by scientific research, and I'll share all the links in the description box below. A lot of research points towards their benefit in the metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome is a condition in which you have a high blood pressure, high sugar levels and high cholesterol, and jamuns are known to benefit all of these conditions. So let me tell you how to use them. First of all, when you buy jamun, make sure they're as dark as you can get. The darker or blacker your jamun is, the more the level of antioxidants in it. And make sure it is not very soft like mushy and not very hard, that is unripe. So the best jamuns are jamuns which are firm, which are very black and which have no stains or spots on them. And once you buy your jamuns, make sure to give them a baking soda soak that will get rid of any insecticides or pesticides. Just a few days back I shared the whole process of doing that, so do subscribe to our channel to view the whole video. Anyway, you can take about a half a cup to 1 cup of jamuns every day, like that only, but I am de-seeding them because I want to make a jam out of these jamuns. So out of these half kilo jams I got this much seeds, and when I dried these seeds and ground them up, I got this much jamun seed powder, which is a very beneficial thing because this jamun seed powder is a natural antidiabetic drug. All you have to do is take 1 tablespoon of this jamun seed powder every day and you will see 30% reduction in your sugar levels. And I'll share at the end of the video how to use it for your skin health also, so stay tuned. If you want to make it yourself, that's wonderful. If you want to buy it, I'll share a Daraz link also in the description. Anyway, to the pulp of all these jamuns that we just de-seeded, add some water, add some sweetener of choice. I am adding stevia as always, and then add some salt and keep it on a low heat for about 20 minutes. Make sure the heat is very low because high heat will destroy all the active beneficial compounds of the jamun. After 20 to 30 minutes, you will see that your puree has thickened a lot. Now leave it to cool down and then you can put it in your like jug blender and blend it like milkshake, or you can use a hand blender like I am doing. And just like that, your antioxidant rich jamun jam is ready. You can strain it, but I don't want to lose the fiber, and you can keep it in the fridge for about a week to 10 days, but it will not last that long. It is so good. Now whenever you crave for a cool refreshing energy drink, all you have to do is add some puree to a glass, add some plain water or sparkling water, and your jamun lemonade is ready. You can also put it on your low carb bread and give it as a snack to your husband or kids in their office or school as a healthy antioxidant rich jam sandwich. And the best of all is the jamun ice cream. Just take some plain whipping cream unsweetened, add some vanilla to it and whip it up till it's stiff. Once it is stiff, now you can add the puree that we made, the jamun puree or any other fruit puree if you want. Now I am adding kefir to it because kefir is a very good probiotic and I like to add kefir in all of my ice creams. It is completely optional though, but if you add it, your ice cream will become not only antioxidant rich, it will be probiotic rich also. Anyway, once you have blended everything together, you can either add it to your ice cream machine if you have one like me, and your ice cream will get ready in about an hour, or if you don't have, you can use these silicone molds. They are really cheap and I will leave an online buying link for the ice cream machine as well as for the silicone molds in the description box below. Anyway, for the silicone molds, you have to keep it in the fridge for overnight, but the ice cream machine will make your ice cream ready faster. I am adding some jamun jamun puree over the ice cream that I made and some crushed 90% Lindt chocolate. All the links are in the description box. Anyway, I kept it in the freezer for about an hour more, and then you can see the beautiful round smooth scoops that I scooped out of my ice cream. It makes soft smooth ice cream just like the store bought ice cream. Then the fun is you can add anything that you like. I am adding some more fruit puree and some more chocolate on it. And the popsicles that I made without the ice cream machine were also wonderful. You can see the color. Anyway, if you don't want to make an ice cream, what you can do is in a cup add some chia seeds, and to those chia seeds you can add some sweetened kefir. Mix it well, leave it overnight in the fridge, and in the morning you will have your breakfast ready. Just add your jamun puree on the top and your very delicious, nutrient rich, antioxidant rich breakfast is ready. Finally, as promised, let me tell you how to use the jamun and the jamun seed powder for your skin health. Just mix this puree with honey and rose water or besan and put it on your skin, and you will feel instant glow on your skin. Or mix the jamun seed powder with almond oil or besan flour and use it under your eyes to lighten the dark circles. You can use the same mixture on your acne if you have oily skin. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below, did you make this ice cream, and did you make it with jamun? Did you find jamun, or did you make it with any other fruit? Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.